There is a token on the Bybit Launchpool that I want to talk about with you today. It's an incredible game, guys. I'm actually going to give you a little bit of an insight into the game, but first I want to direct you to the Bybit Launchpool listing, okay? Because it's some way that you can make an incredible amount of percentage gain on your portfolio by using launch pools. All right, the Bybit Launchpool is one of the best out there. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. Pirate token is launched. Let's go. So just launched on the Launchpool, guys. Pirate token, you can see here. Follow along the link down below. Now, Launchpool is a really cool aspect of crypto, okay? You can earn new tokens just by staking. You can see here a total prize pool of $20 million with over 1.4 million participants, okay, of a total of 22 projects so far. So, staking on tokens for absolutely free, guys, is ridiculous. So, Pirate is what we're talking about today. There is a lot of other past performances that you can see just so you can see an aspect of how much you can make. All right, but you can see here, prize pool of 10 million in here, APR of 960%. Find me something else on planet Earth that can give you 960%. That is insane, all right? So the pirate pool looks like this. You stake pirate to earn pirate, you will get 3 million of the prize pool, okay, with an APR of 800%. The MNT pool, okay, of 2 million if you stake MNT to earn pirate. If you want to stake USDT to earn pirate, you can get 5 million. I usually use the USDT to stake, but it's completely up to you. This is ongoing, guys, all right? It ends in 4 days, so you need to get involved right now. And if you actually share Bybit Launchpool with a friend, you can earn up to 10,000 USDT as well. So guys, make sure you do get involved in this. If you don't know why you need to get with Pirate token, all right, I'm going to tell you right now, but it doesn't matter even if the project is something you don't believe in the future. If there's a project that you don't like, the Launchpool can still make you an incredible amount of money just by staking MNT and USDT, guys. This is insane. But Pirate, lucky for us, is an absolutely insane token. All right, so Pirate Nation is a game. It's a blockchain game on the high seas, building your ship, recruiting your crew, and battling your way across the isles to become the top pirate. Now, this is an incredible, unique token because it's not just built around a game of having entertainment. It's built around actually allowing you to experience the Web3 in a different way. So like it says here, right, you can see this gameplay. It looks really cool, but loading your cannons and getting ready for the battle, okay? You can enjoy this rich world full of adventure, challenge, and surprises. You can upgrade your pirates, craft in-games, all different ways that you can beat your opponents. Crafted by veterans, okay? Created by Proof of Play, a team of veteran game creators, so they know exactly what you're looking for, exactly what you want. Partnered with some of the biggest in the world, Zynga, Riot Games, Epic Games, EA Sports, and Activision. But the ecosystem is more intriguing to me than the gameplay, all right? Although I do love entertainment, I also love making crypto. So this is the future. The scallywags of Proof of Play are committed to an ever-expanding game world to keep your crew sailing for adventure. Now, after launching the beta game, the world will evolve to new features, game modes, and treasures for you to seek. Join the active community. They're creating a course, but the seas are murky, so they're going to have more robust competitions, more opportunities to top the leaderboard, special rewards for players at the top of leaderboards, and group competitions, so you don't always have to compete alone. Deeper gameplay with PvE and PvP, so ability to fight other pirates, guys. Team up with other pirates and fight krakens and others. Attributes and classes are more difficult adventures, and of course customizing and decorating. So you can really make a unique standpoint on your Pirate Nation battleships or whatever it is that you're trying to customize. All right, visiting the islands, decking out your pirates with hard-earned loot. If you've got any more questions about this token, guys, just go down below. I'm really in love with this token, all right? And the fact that you can get this on the launch pool now is absolutely insane. With a 960% total APR, all right, this is ridiculous. So if you want to get 800, okay, or if you're a VIP, get 960%, just simply stake Pirate to the Pirate launch pool. And guys, you are going to make a ridiculous amount of gains. This is something I want to stress on this channel, guys, that launch pools are a really interesting way to make money because it is completely free. If you already have the tokens, simply stake them. As long as you don't plan on spending them tokens in the next 3 days or 4 days, you can stake these and make a ridiculous amount of money. So like, guys, you should get involved in this, all right? This is Pirate Token, one of the best games out there, and Bybit Launchpool, one of the best launch pads that has come into the Web3 space. Put them together, and we're talking about a lot of crypto. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, go notified, guys. Hit the links down below to get involved in this, and I'll see you when you've made your APR on that launch pool.